Hello everyone, this is my review of these solar wall lights. The aluminum construction combined with glass shades gives them a sleek, modern appearance that complements my home's exterior. One of the standout features is the selectable warm white and cool white lighting options. Depending on the occasion, I can easily switch between a cozy ambience or a brighter illumination. The dusk to dawn sensor works flawlessly, turning the lights on at sunset and off at sunrise without any manual intervention. Installation was straightforward, and I appreciated that no wiring was required. The waterproof design has held up well against recent rainstorms, and the lights continue to function perfectly. Overall, these solar wall sconces combine style, functionality, and energy efficiency. They've enhanced the look of my patio and provided reliable lighting. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor lighting. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.